Hey guys, how you doing? So let's get into it. So you take some nice photos with your friends and you want to learn a bit about editing the photos. I'm not a professional. I actually learned how to use it recently and I love using it, right? It's called LUTs. It's a preset that you can buy. It is a color lookup and it changes different various presets and how you can edit your photos to various different styles, right? So if you have Lightroom, let's get to it. And if you don't, you can purchase Lightroom from Adobe or you can use Photoshop, etc. So let's get into it. You can use LUTs on anywhere. So let's get to it. So for example, you're taking this nice photo of some vineyards when you're out there with your friends, right? And then it's nice. That's the original photo. So when we go to develop here, developer tool in this tab, we can click soft proving to the bottom left here, guys, and it already changes nice color texture. So it's using a different profile, the LUTs that I was telling you about. So to the right here, you can use different various profiles. I also like to use C9560. It gives you a bit of nice autumn feel, warm color feels. I really love that. I use it quite often, but mostly I use what you just saw before, which is the 8872. Gives it a bit of nice contrast of different colors. As you can untick this, you'll see various different it's brightening it up for you, isn't it? But you can also use auto. So when we click the auto button, it does all the auto tuning for you. It's already again. So it made some changes there for you. So, and then you can also change and decrease it with the highlights over here, with the whites. So you can just go drag down the highlights a little bit more. And sometimes it can look a bit more too vibrant. So you can just change the vibrance. Instead of +19, you can just +5. Gives it a bit not too strong. And there you go, guys, editing some photos, guys. Go out there and start creating your winery tour business on the side and make yourself stand out on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. You know it. Go learn some editing. See you guys later. Bye bye.